In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the watch history on YouTube so that on YouTube app, whatever videos you are watching, normally YouTube keeps track of that. But if you want to just disable for every video that you watch, you can just turn off the watch history option. So first of all, just open up the YouTube application, and in the bottom, you can see your profile icon. Just click here. And again, on the top, we can see the settings. Just click here. And if we see towards the bottom, we have manage all history option. Just click here. And here is the option, saving your YouTube watch history. Just click here. Now we have two sub settings here. Include the YouTube videos you watch. If you want to turn that off, just uncheck this like this. And it will show you the pause option. Pause YouTube watch history. You can read through it. And after that, just click on pause. Click on got it. And then we can include your searches on YouTube as well. So whatever you will search, it will not keep the track of that. So both of the options are turned off. And after that, YouTube will not show you the history from this point forward. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.